In the RBC mini clip no-sew frame, you will have 2 bars, 2 side arms and 4 clips. Firstly, assemble the frame by slotting the bars into the sidearm, making sure that the clips are open. You can use any of the 4 holes to make up 3 different sizes. Once the sidearms are fitted all the way down the bars, next slot on the next sidearm, making sure that the clips are facing the same way. Do this against a table so that the sidearm goes on no further than flush with the end of the bars. Now you can attach your canvas. To do this, make sure that the lugs on the bars are facing upwards along with the clips. Then place the canvas on, pattern side downwards, and leave a 1 cm overlap over the lugs. Then use the folded over sides of the clips to clip the canvas onto the bar. Repeat this on the other side, making sure all of the clips click into place. Your canvas will be slack at this point. Now to tighten, ensure that the clips are undone, and then rotate the bars on the direction shown on the clips so that the canvas doubles back on itself. Once you're happy, close the clips so that the canvas locks into place.